お冬じゃん。何？
私のサンダにこれ以上手出さないでくれる。
So I decided to make Fuyumura in Blender, well specifically her head. So we begin with adding a circle. This circle has 30 verts specifically, and then we line it up. Then we connect the middle part into the face, and then we extrude downwards 6 times. Then we begin with moving the verts downwards from the nose 2 times and creating a triangle for the nose bridge. Afterwards, we fill in the gaps by connecting and filling in with F. As we go along, we start making the mouth area where we extrude exactly 4 times. And then start fixing it up and neatening up the area. Soon after, we'll start extruding to make the forehead. So we'll select the verts on top and start making the forehead. Okay, so this next part is important. What you're going to do is select the middle part of the head, and then you move it forward on the Y 20, at least 20, so we could get the full head in this 3D form. Now we begin with shaping the contour of the face and the nose. We're fixing up the nose here, then we dissolve that part so we could get the idea here. Then we fix the mouth, we start shaping out the mouth. So we will continue going on, and then we'll extrude. Then we extrude to the back of the head like this and make a connection in this mid-range. Then we start extruding from the head. We're going to extrude a bunch from the head over here. We're just going to extrude the full head, then connect to the back area over here. Then lastly, we're going to smooth the area and then pull it out so we can start forming the head. And then we're going to fill these areas here. Just now, we're going to go back to filling these areas. So we're going to fill the areas now. And yeah, I just delete this part because the mirror modifier is doing some weird things. So I just delete them until I apply the mirror modifier. So now we're going to just design the neck here. We're going to just do these filling after we design the neck. And yeah, we're going to pull down here to get the neck. The chin area was what I was designing before. Then, okay, so now we're gonna just fill these back in, not smooth, fill these back in. And yeah, the head looking nice so far. So we just have to smooth it out and just fix everything to make sure everything looks good. After this, we're gonna start with the hair. So we start making the hair. We're gonna plane model this hair. We're not gonna use curves for this hair. We're gonna use planes, which is fun. And yeah, so the basic stuff here. You should know how to do this. It's nothing hard, nothing difficult to do. It's just basic plane modeling, poly modeling of the hair. We're not using curves because curves you don't really have controls with curves. You could use curves, but I recommend what you do when you use the curve. Make sure to get the shape of the hair. Then you you convert it into a mesh. And then you could go on to add your strands, extend, separate areas and extend to make the little hair follicles. And after that, so after this, I'm gonna just keep doing the hair, and we're just gonna speed up this process of the hair, and then we will go into texturing. Now we start in the texturing process. The texturing process is also easy. We just have to texture the model. And yeah, it's really simple to do texturing. Once you practice, you just have to practice a lot and you'll get the hang of texturing. So I'm gonna texture the face, texture the pupils first. That's the first thing I want to texture. Then we'll go on to the face right after. So yep, we're on the face right now. So we're just making these gradient highlights around the eye. So well, the eyeliner, this is basically the eyeliner. So I'm just gonna add details here and kind of go over it with a smudge brush and the blur brush so it could have a nice fade. Then we will begin with texturing the hair. The texture of the hair was very simple. I already textured it, and now I'm just applying shaders to test it out. And yeah, I basically went back later on and just textured the hair more, textured the highlights in the hair and those stuff. So this is the full head. The full head is complete and in all its glory, so you to see. And thank you for watching this video. I hope you subscribe and hope that you check out this video over here to find out more about topology.